What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about AEI. That's ALSET EHOME International. Once again, that's the ticker symbol AEI. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. AEI, by the time of this recording, is currently trading at 0.74 per share. It's down 11.92 in the regular trading hours, but it's up 1.02% in the after hours. Now, it's up 48.44% in 5 days. It's up 98.88% in a month. So that's pretty impressive numbers for AEI. Now, what do we know so far with AEI? First of all, AEI is gaining popularity among retail investors. If you go to Reddit, you can actually see that there's a lot of people that is actually sending messages all over Reddit regarding AEI. Now, if you go to Google Trends, you can also see that the interest regarding AEI stock in the past 12 months is currently increasing. As you can see that here in the graph as shown under Google Trends. Hub user friend BA that shared me this information. ALSET EHOME International is into cryptocurrency, that's one. ALSET EHOME International is also partnered with Tesla to develop eHome. So personally speaking, if any company is associated with Tesla, I would personally invest in that company. So it says here that ALSET EHOME International gained 24.6%. So by the way, guys, this is an article on June 22, 2021. So it says here that during that they gained 24.6% after the company's subsidiary ALSET EHOME International announced a strategic deal with electric vehicle EV company Tesla on June 21st. So it says here that ALSET EHOME International develops and sells and leases residential properties in the US. The property developer has gained 52.2% in the past month, but has lost 12.3% over the past year. So this is an old article, guys, but even though it's old, so until now we knew that Tesla is still partnered with AEI. And next venture of AEI is they're also into green crypto mining, and now they are also into metaverse and NFT business. So you can also clearly see that on this article dated December 30, 2021. So ALSET EHOME International, a diversified holding company principally engaged through its subsidiaries in the development of smart and sustainable home communities and other property development, financial services, digital transformation technologies, biohealth activities, and consumer products, is pleased to announce that the group has established ALSET Metaverse Incorporated, which will be a vehicle for the group to incubate and invest in the metaverse related projects. So now, with that being said, we should know that AEI is invested into eHomes, which is tied up with Tesla. They are also invested in cryptocurrency mining. They're also invested in the metaverse section. So the AEI as a company is looking forward for the future, right? So they knew that the future is into cryptocurrency. They knew that the future is clean energy. They also knew that the future is NFT, so the metaverse business. So which is really cool for me personally. It's a company that is invested into these kinds of business venture. And the last update that we knew so far is when they released their reports fiscal year 2021, which is a little bit impressive. It says here that the group's revenue rose 21.9% to approximately 19.8 million in fiscal year 2021 from 16.2 million. So I highlighted them all just for you. It says here that biohealth business and rental income under its this is due primarily to biohealth business and rental income under its real estate business. So the group's cash has more than doubled from approximately 25.0 million as of December 31st, 2020 to 56.1 million as of December 31, 2021. So it also says here that the group's real estate assets have increased to 97.6% to approximately 40.5 million as of December 31st, 2021 from 20.5 million as of December 31, 2020. So it has more than doubled. Furthermore, the group's net assets have increased 173.8% to approximately 170.3 million as of December 31st, 2021 from 98 million as of December 31st, 2020. So at this point, we also knew that AEI as a company is actually improving year over year. So if you are long in this company, it only means that the growth of the business is absolutely improving over time. And now, lately, if you actually go to the SEC website and check AEI's recent filings, so you can actually see here that you can clearly see here that under Schedule 13DA, right, the CEO himself is on a buying spree. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can actually see that on April 7th, Mr. Chan purchased additional 4 million shares. So I have three reports for AEI, and in these consecutive reports, I have highlighted that Mr. Chan, as a CEO, is very confident that ALSET eHome International looking forward will be very healthy, and it actually shows that here because he kept on buying shares of AEI. The last purchase he had is 4 million shares of the common stock. This transaction was executed in multiple trades of prices ranging from 0.66 to 85 points, 0.8576. The weighted average price of such shares was 0.7584. So for me personally, at these ranges, seeing a company like this, it's totally undervalued with not a lot of shares. That's just my personal opinion. Is a good buy. That for me, it's a good. It's such a good entry price for me to start buying this stock. Okay, so what do we actually see here ahead of the next week trading days with next week trading period when it comes to AEI? According to our graph here in the weekly time frame, right? So this is the most important part of the technical analysis because you can clearly see here that we have a gap down all the way from around this area, which is 1.07. It gap down all the way to around this area 0.69. Based on my past experiences, if there's definitely a gap, the graph will fill that up over time. So as you can see here in this graph right now, it's slowly filling it up. Okay, that's in the weekly time frame. So also you can we can also see here that it's very clear that the volume is slowly picking up on this stock as opposed to the past week trading days. And also your RSI is moving on the upside. It's just very low, 42.22. So we have a lot of room. We have a lot of room to the upside, which is tells me that the potential is there for this stock. Now, if you go to your daily time frame, you can clearly see here that we have just broken this resistance at around 0.67, and our next resistance should be around this area. And like I said, I'm very excited for this stock because according to the chart, it's slowly filling up the gap. And by the way, the next resistance will be around this area, around 1.63, but we have to go around this area first, which is around 1.16. So once we fill up the 1.16 area, 1.17 area, then we can start talking about this resistance of around 1.62. Okay, so in our 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see that your VWAP is right above your 200 EMA, your 50 EMA, your 20 EMA, and 9 EMA. So that is a very good sign that we are in an upwards trend. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, you can just put that in the comment section below of this video. If you like the information and analysis that I provided with you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.